Note that it would be easier to apply binomial distribution with x as the number of successful surgeries out of 3 surgeries. So we could take n equal to 3 and p equal to 90 by 100 and q equal to 10 by 100. Using the given data, 90% success rate means the remaining 100% minus 90%, which is 10%, would be the failure rate. Note that the surgery was conducted on 3 patients, so we take n equal to 3. We have to find the probability that exactly one surgery was successful. Exactly one surgery being successful means out of the 3 surgeries conducted, the other 2 would be failures. One success and 2 failures could happen in the 3 different ways. Each of the 3 has the same probability, P into Q into Q. So the record probability is nothing but 3 into brackets P into Q into Q. Substitute the values for P and Q. At most 2 surgeries were successful means it could have been 0 successes, 1 success or 2 success. Therefore, it is more convenient to use the property P of A equal to 1 minus P of A dash. So we get the required probability as 1 minus P of all the 3 surgeries were successful. So the required probability is 1 minus P power 3.